Elise.
And I'm their dad.
And today we continue with our glitterly... That doesn't make any sense.
That makes sense.
Hi, it's Gabrielle.
And it's Elise.
And it's their dad.
And today we continue with our glittery Play-Doh Flags of the World series.
Yay! We love puzzles! The last flag we covered was the red, white, and blue flag, the United States flag.
And today we travel across the globe to find the largest archipelago, Indonesia.
It has about 18,000 islands.
Girls, there is so much that's interesting about Indonesia. After Brazil, it's the country with the most biodiversity in the world. You know what biodiversity is?
Nope. No.
It means lots and lots of different kinds of plants and animals. It's the home of the Komodo dragon. Look at that, girls.
Wow. They are really tough.
They can get up to be 3 meters long, and they're the biggest lizards in the world.
They are?
Yeah.
Well, that makes
They're
sense
probably-
because they look like dinosaurs when they're standing up.
You know what else Indonesia has?
What?
Indonesia has birds of paradise.
Wait, what?
What do you think of those birds?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. They look like a hen, kind of.
Do you mean turkey?
No. But Thanksgiving's coming up.
Well, there's different kinds of birds of paradise. Some of them have really, really long tails.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
And do you know what else they have in Indonesia?
Nope.
Orangutans.
Are they a type of monkey?
They're a primate. So here's an orangutan.
They look like gorillas.
Yeah, they're hairy. They're kind of orange colored, brownish orange.
And they have like blue faces.
And do you know what else they have there?
No.
Lots and lots of people. That's the 4th largest country by population in the world. Do you know what the top 3 countries are for population?
No.
Well, they're China, India, and United States.
Indonesia also has the world's biggest flower.
It can weigh up to 15 pounds.
That's more than our puppy Angel weighs.
It has the world's stinkiest flower.
Yeah, that's true. When it blooms, it releases this terrible smell. It smells like rotten meat. I've seen pictures of people wearing masks when they go around this flower so that they don't have to actually smell it. It can be smelled up to a half a mile away. Indonesia also holds the Spice Islands where nutmeg trees grow.
And Indonesia has the world's largest Buddhist temple.
And it's got more coastline than you could ever want. So many beaches.
And it has a flag with lots and lots of meaning.
Some national flags have complex patterns or design, like the flag of Turkmenistan. Take a look at this. Take a look at the pattern on this flag.
Whoa.
Wow.
What does that look like to you?
Like a rug?
Yeah, it looks like a rug. That's actually because they make a lot of rugs in Turkmenistan. They're famous for their rugs. Another flag with a complicated design on it is Bhutan's flag. Look at that.
Wow.
Cool.
That's a cool dragon, isn't it?
Yeah.
I kind of want to color it in, though. Yeah. Other flags, girls, aren't complicated. They go more for simplicity. This is the old flag of the country of Libya. Look at that one.
It's green.
Yeah, it's just green. That's it.
That's the flag?
Yeah, that's the whole flag. They changed it. They added some more stuff to it. And then there's the flag of Palau. Pretty simple.
Yeah. If you just took the yellow circle away, it would just be blue.
Yeah, what do you think this represents?
The blue is like the sky and the yellow is like the sun.
You know, that's what you'd think, but instead it actually represents the moon and the ocean. Interesting, huh? Well, this just shows how different people look at things differently around the world. Anyway, Indonesia's flag is also a simple one, but it's no less interesting than some of the more complicated flags out there.
So let's get this flag together.
Okay, the flag of Indonesia. It's red on top and white on the bottom.
Yeah, it only has two colors.
Red and white.
Wait, guys. Is white actually a color?
Yes.
Yeah, kind of.
People have been debating this for a long time.
Tell us in the comments if you think white's a color.
Well, whether white is a color or not, Indonesia's flag is very similar to two other flags in the world. There is the flag of Monaco, which is almost exactly the same as Indonesia's. It's just a little bit shorter. And then there's the flag of Poland. It's the same, just turned the other way around. White on top and red on the bottom. And then sometimes Poland adds a white eagle to their flag.
But back to Indonesia.
It was first hoisted at the Indonesian Declaration of Independence
On August 17th, 1945, in Jakarta.
It was personally sewn by the president's wife.
So this is a flag of independence and revolt against Dutch colonial control. Some say the red stands for courage and the white stands for purity. That's pretty common in flag symbolism. But more unique to the Indonesian flag is the idea that the red symbolizes the physical part of the person and the white portrays the soul of the person. And together, the red and the white make a complete human being.
But red and white are traditional colors all over Southeast Asia. They're used in ancient myths about Mother Earth and Father Sky.
What's interesting, girls, is that in this interpretation, the red is the earth and the white is the sky. That's strange because the red is on the top. You'd think it would be the other way. Maybe they should just go with Poland's flag.
What? I think it's just about the colors, not the position on the flag.
No, you might be right. Red and white are also the colors of the Majapahit Empire, which brought the islands which form Indonesia together for the first time.
They used the red to represent palm sugar.
And the white to represent rice. These are two main parts of island cuisine.
There's so many ways to interpret this design.
So much history in two colors. So there she is, the flag of Indonesia.
Thank you so much for watching.
We have so many new subscribers. We appreciate you all.
If you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button.
And be sure to hit notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. And we get so many requests for maps and flags. We're trying to get to all of them.
Jonathan Taylor has been asking for Northamptonshire flag for so long. I really like the flower.
I like the colors of the flag. If you have a topic you want us to do a video on, let us know. Thanks for watching. See you soon. The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like.
Tell us what you think.
And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.